Graham here from Dispatch Plumbing. We're out here in beautiful Langley, British Columbia. We've installed a Navien combination boiler. It's an NCB 240 110H, top of the line installation. Nice work by Jeff. We've got combi boiler. We've got primary manifold kit. We've got the Adey MagnaClean. We've got the Takeo 0015 E3 modulating pump. We've got the Calefactio zone belts. We've got the Calefactio discal air separator. We've got the Calefactio boiler feed and backflow preventer combo. We've got the Axiom acid neutralizer, lowers down the pH of the condensate water before it goes into the sanitary system. We've got the Calefactio thermal expansion tank brackets, heating, potable. We got it all, folks.